Making Haitian food is not for the weak, and it takes literally 2 to 3 business days. I had to wake up at like, I don't know, 8 in the morning and making sure I prep everything, because if you want to eat before 4 o'clock, because that's all my mom used to make food, by like 12 or 1 o'clock, like the food be done. And I remember growing up, my mom be waking up super early to make food on Sunday. And now I'm like realizing, why was she up that early? Because it takes forever. When you're a kid, you don't realize all the stuff your mom used to do. Because before I wake up at like, I don't know, 9-10 o'clock, my mom, like half of the food be done already, and by like 12-1 o'clock will already eat. Because I remember vividly like sitting in front of the TV on Sunday watching Kirikou while eating my food. And listen, I see why now. And I had to wake up that early too, because I do not want to be cooking or making all this food past 2 o'clock. I know it's because of my mom, because I grew up with just her making food super early. And even today, when you go to her house, she still does the same thing. The same thing I remember growing up. I had breakfast super early, already on the table. When we go to my mom's house, the kids, by the time I woke up on like 10 o'clock, the kids are already up by like 7 and already eating breakfast. And when I wake up, I'm looking at like most of the prep for the next food is already done. Like, she is just that person. And then I'm not saying I'm the same way, but on Sundays I gotta make my food early, because listen, it takes forever. And as always, you guys know Ogo do not play about his food, okay? Hey, come on now.